Hello, guys. This is me, EpTekMan here. I'm so sorry about the delay of everything. I was so busy with school, not school, work and everything like that. Um, this is the only time I could do this, so let me go away and do it. I am installing a Microsoft Exchange server. If you don't know what that is, it's like a mail. It's like a webmail that you could use on your Windows server, basically. Basically, I did all the hard work already. Now, what I need to do is actually install it. Basically, what I did is I joined my domain, installed the operating system. I installed a few features and rules on the server, so it will work. You might be wondering, this is this is a virtual machine. This is not a physical machine. It is running on the computer that I'm streaming this at the moment. You could install the evaluation edition if you want to test it out, or basically see how Windows Server works. I know how to run this. I know how to install this type of software. So first of all, let me tell you what you need. You need to go to features on the go to features, hit add features. This is what you need. You need net framework. You only need Net Framework. It's not gonna work without Net Framework. You need the remote server administration tools, and you only need the domain administration tools, nothing else. Next, you need RPC over HTTP proxy. That makes it all working. Next, you need, I already installed it, but I will show you. You need web server. You need ISS installed. You need hold on, I'm looking over a video of what I did. You need ASP.NET. You need basic authentication, Windows authentication, and digest authentication. These will help you basically. These will help with the authentication of the server. Then lastly, you need the web server. You need to have IIS management compatibility with 6. This will not work with this, so just a little bit of a heads up. And finally, after you restart your server again, you need to go to Net TCP port sharing. What that does is it will basically allow it to think the Exchange server to actually work. So that's what we're dealing with. You might be wondering why is this all small? It's because it's basically the the screen. It's not my actual computer screen. So we're gonna hit install Exchange Server 2010, and we're gonna run it using our domain credentials. I forgot to tell you, you can't use a local account to install this kind of software because it's for it's basically for the domain. So it will show you the introduction, the license agreement, of course. Then it wants you to say yes, error reporting, which will send feedback to Microsoft. I will say no because it's not supported anymore. Now you have two options. You could do a typical installation, which includes hub transport, client access, mailbox, and exchange management tools. Or you could do a custom exchange, which will give you hub, client, mailbox, unified messaging, edge transport, and the same management tools. It will show you where you want to download it, and there's another box that you could click to install the required necessary stuff. Now if you're doing this for fun, you could put sandbox or test mail server wherever you want. I'm just using it just to test it out, but I am gonna be using it for internal messaging for the computers here. This will not be for external use. So I'm gonna type in EpTekMan as the organization name. Now it wants you to see if you have any Outlook 2003 in your organization. It will allow you to enter Outlook 2003 credentials, but we don't have the software for it, so we're gonna hit next. This is for this URL is for if you want to bring it online, like on the web browser. Type client access. For me, I'm gonna put mail EpTekMan. EPT. It's mail your full domain name, and that's how it should look like. It's mail your full domain name. Then it will ask you to do the improvement program. I will say I don't want to join this program at this time. Then it will go to your readiness checks and make sure everything is all good to go with the Exchange server. It might fail if you mess something up. Usually it will not mess stuff up. It will say complete with a green check mark, like this. This should work if you did everything correctly. If not, there's gonna be this video called installation and configuration of the MS Exchange Server 2010. That's basically what I could recommend. Okay, so if you see failed, like what I just showed you, we have 1, 2, 3. So basically what's gonna go on is we need to install, I forgot to tell you, you need to install the Office 2010 photo packs, which is on their website. Lastly, we need to add our account that's logged in right now into a schema admins and or enterprise admins group. So just a wee reminder that you need schema or enterprise admins in order to continue with this installation. So to fix that, we're gonna go to administration. Can't speak. Administration tools, Active Directory users, and computers. Actually, I'm gonna go. What I'm gonna do is I'm going into my main server using VNC viewer. This is the main domain controller that I have everything set up. So Windows 10 is a little bit different. You're gonna hit the start menu. We're gonna go to Windows administration tools, and we're gonna go where it says Active Directory users and computers. This is the same exact screen with 2019/Windows 10. Okay, so now when you see anything, click on your user, go to member of, and go to schema admins. And it should let me continue with the installation. So this is what you need. Domain admins, the users we need on enterprise admins and schema admins. We'll do this to this account too. Go to member of, add advanced, find now, and click on schema admins. Okay, so we're done on this computer, so we're gonna log out. Gonna exit that out and go back to this and try it again. But before we do anything else, we're gonna have to install the Office 2010 filter pack. So we're gonna go to Internet Explorer, Office 2010 filter pack, and we're gonna go to the download page on the Internet Explorer. And it will bring it up, and we need to install it. Sometimes this will get a little bit finicky of the not responding. Just take it some time and see if it loads. If not, use like a shared folder on VirtualBox, so you could do it from your normal computer. If you're on a physical machine, you don't basically what you need to do is install Google Chrome and download it from that web browser. So now we're gonna do this again and see if it wants to work again. I just installed this today. Do that. Here we go. And lastly, we need to download the guest editions CD, and that will basically give me. I don't know why this is not working. That's weird. Basically it will allow me to scale the screen if I wanted to. Hold on. So this is a little bit too smushy, which is okay. It will be okay. So if that doesn't work, what we need to do is go to our virtual box settings, go to share folders, and basically add a new folder. And mail. 2008 part 2. We're gonna hit auto mount so it will recognize it, and here's our new folder. Then we're gonna go to our Chrome and go to Office 2010 filter pack, and it's because of the operating system, I guess. So when that comes up, we're gonna put this where where my thing was. I had to find it. I need to. Where did I put this? That's my question. Let me see where I put this. I put it in the other folder. Okay. So we're gonna go to that users and just install that. That's okay. Now we're gonna go back over here. Then now we have we should have another folder, and it's not showing up. So wait. I put it in the wrong thing. Silly me. So ta-da. Okay. So basically, if this is showing not working, we need to install it again. But I'm gonna this is probably why it doesn't work, because of the I didn't install the white CD. Okay, so I need to restart this again, and hopefully it works. So this is not edited, so I have to do it. Alright, so I also have like GTA 5 installing on the on my laptop, so yeah. So now this is installing. This is doing its stuff. Oh shoot. Let's see. Wait. scale. Where's scale? Okay. Let me see. I want Here we go. Perfect. I just need to see how I descale on this. Okay. Now it should work. Okay. Now we're back in the same exact setting before. And as you can see, it did work. So we're gonna install are you kidding me? Doesn't want to work. Oh, because it's on the shared folder. So we're gonna install the filter pack, and we install because we already made that changes. So let me put it on full screen. So now this is basically starting the whole entire thing again. Yes. Okay, let's start it again. I didn't know that you could just start it without noticing. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is good. This is very good right here. And the net BIOS name of the computer does not match the DNS host name. Ensure the net BIOS name is not. Okay, I see. Okay, let's go back. This is the last time I'm gonna be doing this because my name is. This name is too long. Yeah, so basically I can't have a net BIOS name very long. If it's long, it's gonna ask me to change it. So I'm just putting it on basically on the like what I'm saying is it's not it's usually it's because of the setup, I guess, on the computer, on the setup on the mail server that doesn't want it to work. So now let's try it again. Hopefully that's not confusing. It shouldn't be confusing. Okay, now it's starting up again. And it's gonna probably ask me to return to the last state of me having this installer. And yes, I'm gonna hit yes. This should work because I have it not lengthy anymore. So I thought I didn't know what it was. And let's see. Yes. If this fails. Oh, okay. Good. It's not failing. So basically, if it fails, it's the reason why it does this is just in case something, you don't want to start it again. Like now it's installing everything. The readiness check means make sure everything's ready in the computer and the software in order for it to work. We don't like I do have the I could delete it because I have it on my network drive for my Synology, so I could just delete it, and if I need it again, I could just get it. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to install Exchange. I am going to show you, I'm going to try, actually, so basically, I tried to do it on a 2003 Windows Server 2003 and tried to install the Revision 2 package, and unfortunately I didn't like the product key that I entered in. So basically, let me make another mail 2007. It could. I'm not hoping it will work. It could work on the 2008's machines, but I have to put it on compatibility mode. So I'm gonna try that while that's doing its job. And yeah, everything's good. So I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's up in the air if it does or not. Let me check on our Exchange server right here. Just a little bit of a reminder. This server might take a long time to load, like to install, because it needs to install like the website for the IIS and all of the components that's inside of this computer. Just a little bit of a heads up. So probably watch TV or a movie, play a game or something like that while you wait. It will probably take a long time until you could use it, which of course when I did it multiple times, it was taking a long time. But I wanna check. Let me see something very quickly. Let me go and pull it up. Works on 2008. I do have 2008 actually. Let's see. Oh my god. I think I could do 2007. Yes, I could. It's just it does say I could do it on 2008 R2. Okay. I am installing it on here. So basically the installation process is basically all similar to Windows 7. It's not different. It's basically this screen until it says completing installation. Then after that, it's gonna go back to this screen and do more finalizing of the installation. Then after that, it will boot up to the actual operating system and let me enter in a new password. So I'm gonna let that run. I'm gonna go back to the 2010 setup. And yes, I got 2016 as well. So I'm gonna test it out very early century, mid-century, like 2010, then right now, which is 2016 on the 2019 edition on the server. I heard that 2013 and above is a little bit tricky, then it's going to be a little bit tricky on 2013 and above, because you need like a lot of more stuff installed, and you need every single one correct. And if that doesn't work, it's not going to work. That's what I'm going to say. So that is still installing all the files, as you could see. Yeah, that's gonna take probably a long time. This is gonna not take a long time. This is probably gonna take like a half an hour or so. Just a little bit of reminder that, again, if you guys are showing up at this live stream, this live stream will not be edited because of the because it's live. I can't control over what how I'm gonna skip it, so I have to leave it like this, which is fine. Basically, this might take a long time because I'm running like live stream at the same time, including a web browser and VirtualBox, which probably is drawing a lot of power into the computer. And I was incorrect. Actually, I'm not. I'm drawing 36% of my CPU, so I am okay. The reason why I'm not showing my face is because I'm not dressed yet, so I'm still in my pajamas. So I'm just chilling until I have to go to work later. Very, very fun. Indeed. I'm gonna go and pause this live stream, and I will come back when it's all done. So please stay tuned. Please hit the bell icon so you could go right back onto the live stream when I'm done. This will be a 2-part live stream. So this is the first part, and the second part will come up me actually installing Windows, the Server 2010, like configuring it, and installing the 2007 version of Exchange. So I will be right back, and please